Continue our coverage here, ITSEC 2011 at the Serious Games Challenge. Had a chance to talk here to Brett and Sean about their mobile setup that they've got showing off at the show. So if you guys can, just tell us a little bit about it, and then, of course, we'll take a look at it on the screen as well.
All right, so what we're doing here with a mobile platform, whether it be a tablet or phone, is we're trying to put in the soldier's hand a game they can play that reinforces a difficult task for them to learn, which is mount clearing, which is a building clearing or a room clearing. Non-infantry soldiers don't get a lot of practice with this, but it doesn't mean just because they go down range, they're not going to do it. Right. This is a basic common soldier task that is very difficult to teach on a whiteboard or a PowerPoint slide because it's very about moving pieces. Sure. So the way the game works is that you can either play by yourself or with 4 of your buddies. Okay. And you pick 1 through 4 in the stack on the mount clearing stack. And depending on what position you pick, it gives you a very specific route that you have to go through the building to ensure that you're being safe, that you're ensuring you're giving full room coverage for any targets that might pop up. And as you watch Brett play here, the game actually has a waypoint system for the more novice player. That's kind of the coaching. Okay. It helps them learn where they're supposed to go based off of where they go into the building. Every time they go into a room, targets pop up. Some of them are friendly, some of them are enemy. So the soldier has to make that active decision to engage a target based off of what much of a threat they consider it to be. We also wanted to get rid of that kind of whole Call of Duty mentality where soldier goes in and just shoots everything. Sure, that makes sense. So we wanted to give them the 2 different postures that soldiers are traditionally trained on. The low aggressive, or the low ready, which is the non-aggressive posture by the military standard, and the high ready, which is an aggressive posture. That's the only position you want to go to when you want to engage and destroy a target. So in our game, our soldier through a button push has to actively decide to raise their weapon, and then use another button to actively decide to shoot the weapon. Sure. Our game negatively reinforces through negative scoring if they actually take that weapon at the high ready or the aggressive posture over another target that's friendly or another soldier player, because that's a bad thing in the Army. You don't want to flag another soldier. The game takes a significant amount of points from you if you commit fratricide by shooting another soldier. Sure, that makes sense.
Good job, Brett. Good job, Sean. Best of luck in the challenge here at ITSEC 2011. More coverage from the Serious Games Showcase Challenge coming up.